Hey everybody, this is Eric Likes Travel Videos and I'm in Athens, Greece, and I'm at a gas station. Yep, you can see the prices right there. And you know, it's amazing in Athens, if you're in the city, finding a gas station is really actually very difficult. If you didn't search for one or know where one was at, you'd kind of be in trouble looking for gas. Let me show you what we're looking at. Here we go. So this is just a regular city street, right? Nothing exciting. I mean, just a city street. But underneath these awnings and stuff, there's a gas station, and it's kind of like tucked in here. And this is what it looks like. So from it doesn't show like a regular gas station. It just shows kind of like, you know, a different kind of, you know, you have to know one's here. And it's got a couple of pumps. Well, first of all, let me show you the gas price. So the price is, for unleaded, it's $1.70 a liter. So for 4 liters, which would make it a gallon, 4 liters would be $4. 4 times 8, 4 times 7 is 4 times 7, 7, 14, 28. So that would be what, 4, 5, 680, 680 a gallon. And then diesel's a little cheaper, but this is it. So BP Liontos, and it's just got a little spot you kind of pull in and they pump your gas for you, and there's 3 little pumps. And you know, it's funny, I checked online. You can go to skyscanner.com and find out what it costs to rent a car. So like, to rent a car here in Athens at the airport is like $200 for a month. I know, $200 for a month. Not $200 a week, not $200 a day, but $200 a month. However, the gas prices are so high that you end up paying for it. And so this is what the gas station looks like. And so, would you even see this? I mean, if you didn't know this was here, I mean, it really is kind of tucked in the center of town, and this is like you know, a residential area where there's places and houses and, you know, all that kind of stuff, but the gas station is I'm like underneath here, so it's amazing. Anyway, that's it. So you want to know what gas costs in Athens, Greece? $1.70 a liter. That's all you need to know. Okay everybody, thanks for coming along. Bye.